Hello friends and welcome to today's video. My name is Benjamin and today I'm going to show you how to create and use Google Classroom. You may be wondering what exactly is Google Classroom. Well, Google Classroom is a free Google app known as a learning management system, LMS. It is a system that provides the platform for teachers to communicate with students, ask questions, and give assignments. All right. In today's digital world, Google Classroom is really very important for educators. It offers a lot of benefits to all kinds of people, teachers, educators, online course creators, content marketers, schools, students, and all persons who are involved in the knowledge or information sharing industry. You know, with the Google Classroom, you can actually interact with your target audience, share information with them. All right. So the Google Classroom is really a very important app that everyone needs to have access to. And the beauty of it all is that Google provides this app free of charge. So you can create a free account and on Google, uh, on the Google platform, you create your classroom. And of course, if you are running a school, you can create a Google Classroom for your teachers and then use that platform to give assignments to students. It's not everything that has to be restricted to the physical classroom. We live in a digital world, and today information sharing has become easy. All right. And one of the things that actually makes e-learning quite easy is the Google Classroom. And that is why I am devoting this video to explaining to you, showing you step by step how you can create and use the Google Classroom. So let's dive into the process, and I will take you to my laptop and show you exactly how to do it. So let's go into the process right away. Right from the Google Chrome web page, you can easily access the Google Classroom. Now, once you have the Gmail account, you can see here on this page, you click on Google Apps, you can look at this multiple dots, click on it, and then you have various Google Apps displayed. Then you search for Google Classroom. It's simply written Classroom. You can scroll down and you can see this is Classroom. I click on Classroom and then the web page will open and it's opening. All right. So let's see. Here we are on the Google Classroom. You can see Google Classroom here. These are two classes I created previously. If you open this page newly, if you have not created any class, it will be totally blank. And all you need to do is to click on this plus sign on the top right-hand side. You can see my cursor. And then I click on it and we have two options, join class or create class. I click on create class and you can see some notification here using Classroom at a school with students. If you are using Classroom at a school with students, Google is saying, if so, your school must sign up for a free Google Workspace for Education account before you can use Classroom. If you click here, you can learn more about this. Well, if everything is okay, you click on this. I have read and understand the above notice, and I am not using Classroom at a school with students. So you click here and click on continue. If you are a student and of course you are in a school and your school already has this account with Google, then you will be given a link, or a code that will enable you to sign in. But if you are creating one yourself, this is the process. And because I'm creating this as a teacher, now you can see your class name is required. So let me name it. Let me name it Benjamin's Creative Writing Class. All right. Then you can name the section, the subject. Then I name it Creative Writing. Click on Create. Now, the class is being created. This is how to create a Google Classroom. You see, it is created already. And here we have a new classroom, Benjamin's Creative Writing Class. All right. So now, when you look at this banner, if you like it, you can leave it like this. If you don't like it, you can customize it. Click on Customize. Then you have two options, either to upload your own photo, if you have one, or to select a theme. I'm going to show you how to select a theme, but I'm going also to upload a photo thereafter because I created a design on Canva.com, which I would like to upload as a theme for this class. So I click on select theme. Let's look at the various themes you have in Google Live. You can choose any of these. All right, you can choose any of these. You can scroll down and you'll have different options. You can click on any of these. If you like, you can click on English and history. You have different options as well. All right, various options, beautiful themes. Then if your class is for math and science, you can click here. You have different options. You choose the theme that you think is suitable. If you have created an arts class, you might choose a theme from here. If you are into sports, you might choose a theme from here, or you click on other to choose a theme. All right. Now, if you come back to general and then you scroll down, well, you might choose this. If you click here, let's see what happens as we click here and click on select class theme. You can see the change. The theme has changed. So if you like this, you leave it. For me, I want to upload a photo I have created on Canva.com and see how it fits as a theme for this class. I click select a photo and it is opening, it's uploading. So here you are, you can adjust it and make sure you crop it to, to fit in the way you want it. Okay, I think Okay, this is done. Well, yes. Okay, so I click on select class theme. I think I like this. Okay, so let's see how it fits in as the class banner. Beautiful, beautiful. So you can see, welcome to Mr. Benjamin's creative writing class. So this is it. This is it. So now that we have gotten our banner, the class is created. Now you need to understand this is the class code. Now, if you click here, you can display the class code. All right. And when you display it, you can copy invite link. You can send this to any of your students so they can use it to access the class. You can click on the three dots here and you have different options. Copy class invite link. You can copy the link. Copy class code. Reset class code. You can reset it the way you want, or you can turn it off. Various options here. All right. I'm not going to do any of that yet. So I want to show you other things. All right. Now, announce something to your class. This is where you can announce something to your class. All right. You can announce something to your class. You can choose when to share this post with your class. Okay, I've got it. But here, you can choose whether to all students. I leave it to all students. Then announce something. Then I can quickly type, welcome to the class. All right, welcome to the class. What else can I say? Okay, welcome to the class. Today's class is on okay, today's class is on the 5-step writing process. Okay, the 10-step writing process. Watch the audio visual lecture and summarize, well, give a summary of what you learned from it. Okay, something like this. And yes, I can add YouTube video. So let me see. Copy it here, but I prefer to click on share and then I click on copy. So I click on share here. All right. Then I click on copy. It's copied. Okay, so I cancel this and I pause this video. So I head back to the classroom, and here I paste the URL. Okay. So here it is, add video. So here it has added the video. So I've announced something to my class, and I've given them an assignment. All right, so I then click on post. Well, there are options. You can post now, you can schedule it, and you can save the draft. I choose to post. So it's posted right away. Post has been created. So this is exactly how to use your Google Classroom. And of course, there are a whole lot of possibilities. You can come here and you look at classwork. All right. This is where you will assign work. You can add assignments and other work for the class, then organize it into topics here. All right. Then if you click on people, then this is where you can invite students. So if I click here, let me try the one that I can access on this device. I've seen the other one in my phone, but I can't access it directly on this device. So let me use the one that we can verify immediately. Yes, I click on this, click on invite. So let's see what happens here. Again, has entered my inbox. All right, so let me check here, see how it goes. Okay, AB EduTech is opening. So let me see if we can access the invitation right here. It's opening gradually. It is opening gradually, so let's see how it goes. Okay. And here we are. All right, class invitation. Benjamin's creative class. All right, so that's what it is. So I click on this. Yes, so you can see class invite Benjamin's creative writing class. Wow. So all you can do here is to click on join, and having clicked on join, you see here we are. It's taking us right to the Google Classroom. So once you send an invitation to anybody, then whoever accesses that particular invitation can simply click on it, and you can see that here we are. So if you have sent this invitation to a student, the student will click on it, and it will bring the students right into this classroom, and the student will see the assignment, and other things that you want them to see. So that is about inviting a class. And don't forget that there are different ways to invite. You can also click here and copy the class invite link. Let's try that. And once you copy the class invite link, then you send it to the class, the students via WhatsApp, email, or any other means. And whoever gets the link, you see, this is a browser, a Google browser. So let's see. I'm going to paste the link here. Look at the link, and then I click on enter, and let's see. You can see right away, it is opening up the Google Classroom as well. So that is a very simple method. You copy the class link, send it to anybody whom you want to give access to the Google Classroom, and then the person can easily, just paste it on any web browser and click on it, and it will bring them into the Google Classroom. So we have seen two ways, and I earlier told you about the class code. Anybody with the class code can also access the class. So that is how to use the Google Classroom. And of course, you can see that there are different things you can do. Now, if you click the do list, all right, and you can assign something and give the class an overview of what they should be expecting in the coming days. All right. So that is the way to use the Google Classroom. We have seen how to create it. We have also seen how to use it. Anytime you can click on classes and you see the different classes. If you have more than one class, as I do here, I can click on any of these classes, but I choose to click on the one that we created right now. And here you can see it. Now, grades, if you click on grades, you see that this is where you will view and manage grades, all right? And then if you click on this settings wheel, then you can reset anything that you want to reset here. Now, you can change your class name if you like, can give a description, and you can fill up other spaces, add or remove information, all right, according to your wish. And then here also you have the invite codes. This is turned on here. If you like, you can turn it off. This is the invite link. This is also another way. If you click here, you will copy the invite link. If you look at this, this is the class code. All right. So here you have students can post and comment. Well, I don't like that option because students can abuse that. Only teachers can post or comment, yes. All right, so I choose that option, but it's up to you to decide how to run your class. Then classwork on the stream, you can decide to show condensed notifications and so on and so forth. Here you can show deleted items. All right. So these are possibilities. Then grade calculation, you can do it here. Okay, so these are the various things you can do. If you make any changes, you click on save, so you can save it. So we want to discard changes. So this is how to use the Google Classroom. Okay. So, and this is where we are going to draw the curtain on today's class. If you enjoyed today's video, like the video and share it with your friends and relations. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. This channel is created to help teachers, educators, schools, entrepreneurs, internet entrepreneurs, people who share information, people who share knowledge, online course creators, and so on and so forth. So on this channel, you are going to continue to get tips and tricks on how to improve your online business, and of course, how to improve on your distance learning work. So if you are interested in videos like this, of course, this is where we give you updates on educational technology, how you can use the latest technologies, educational technologies, to really facilitate your teaching profession and your information sharing career, whatever you are doing, and it has to do with sharing information with people. Of course, you can always get tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Bye for now, and remain blessed. Many thanks for watching today's video. A big thank you to all of you out there for being part of today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly subscribe to this channel. Subscribe now as a way of giving us support. For notification about new videos, click on the bell icon. You will find the bell icon. Click on it so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you will be instantly notified. If you have actually enjoyed the video, like and share the video with your friends and relatives. This is very important. If you have any comments, leave your comments below. Any questions, any suggestions, we would gladly receive them and respond promptly and positively to them. See you in the next video. I look forward to always seeing you in the new video. Thank you, and